how to zoom in on a specific part of your video in Vegas Pro. In this case, I'm using Vegas Pro 17.0, but this method works for any version you might have. Let's get started. I have my video here that I'm editing, and I want to zoom in on this part on the right, where I'm typing a code. I want to emphasize this section and make it stand out, so I'll zoom in to draw attention to it. Here's how you can do it. Let's say I want the zoom to last until this part, where I'm typing the code. I've finished typing at about this point, so I'll emphasize this section by cutting the video. After cutting, I'll focus on this part, making it more zoomed in and highlighted. Now, here's what we're going to do. In the cut section of your video, you'll see 3 options at the top for the video and 1 for the audio. In this case, we're working with the video part. You'll notice a small square icon, an FX icon, and 3 lines. Click on the square icon. When you click on it, this window will appear. This is where you'll see your video preview. The small square on this screen represents the area of the video that will be visible. To zoom in, reduce the size of this square. The smaller the square, the more zoomed in your video will be. Adjust the square to focus on the part you want to highlight. For example, if I want to zoom in on the section where I'm typing the code, I'll position the square over that area and reduce its size for a closer zoom. You can fine-tune the zoom level until it's exactly how you want it. There's also an option to use keyframes, which is a bit more advanced. But let's say I want this entire section to remain zoomed in without any gradual zoom effect. I'll set the square, keep the zoom as is, and save. If you don't want the zoom to be abrupt, starting right at the cut, you can create a gradual zoom. To do this, keep the square larger normal size at the beginning and add a keyframe. Then, as the video progresses, adjust the square to zoom in on the desired area. Vegas will automatically create a smooth zoom transition using keyframes. And that's it. Now you know how to zoom in on specific parts of your video using Vegas Pro. If this tutorial helped you, please consider subscribing, leaving a like, and commenting to let others know that this method is still up to date and working. Thank you.